I went to Bowie State University. I'm a Hall of Fame baseball pitcher, inducted in 2016. I played a lot of racquetball and competed for over 40 plus years. Being physically active, jogging, playing baseball, football, the whole works, took a toll on my knees. I had meniscus tear when I was 35 years old. I got scoped 4 times in an 18-month period, and then another year later. My orthopedic surgeon told me that I was going to need knee replacements. My expectations were to try to get back on the racquetball court. My orthopedic surgeon told me to get a physical therapy evaluation. Raj tested my strength in my quads, my hip muscles, hamstrings, and found out that I had some weakness in those areas, and really put me on track to do exercises. And this was 4 weeks before the surgery. He was great to work with. He explained everything, the different exercises, what I would do to strengthen, to prepare for the surgeries. Raj was just great. His demeanor is outstanding. When I came back in, I'm on a walker. He pushed me, but he was very considerate of what I had been through. He talked me through, and I told him I wanted to try to get back on the racquetball court. And Raj said, I can get you back on the court. I actually got back on the racquetball court mid-April. The surgeon told me not to consider it until September. And I couldn't have gotten back without Raj and the support he gave me. And I would recommend him highly to anyone that really want to get back to doing the things that they used to. He is the man that can get you back.